I made 14k. So this is perfectly an example. So I was making like 2k per day. So it's been a while since I uploaded a video. I think like what, 3 weeks, 3 or 2 weeks. Oh, anyway, today as the title suggests, I'll be showing you some of the best 3 ways that I am using to make at least 2k per day. I've done a video showing you how to make 3k per day. So if you want to watch that, just click on this button of wait. After this, then you can watch that. That said, let the intro and disclaimer roll, and I'll see you on the other side.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race.
Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button. This channel for you if you're into blogging, if you're into freelancing, if you're into making money online, and also of course affiliate marketing and online trading. So this is the channel for you. Please click that subscribe button. In the first idea that you can use to make at least 2k per day online is freelance writing. So what's freelance writing? Freelance writing is where you write articles for clients. Yes, so you see the internet is made up of websites. All of these websites need articles, they need content, and there are 2 ways you can create content. You can either create them yourself or you can hire someone. That someone you're hiring is you. Yes, that can be you, and you make money every time you write an article for someone. Well, let me show you. I have been using this method. As you can see from my email inbox here, I've been sending some invoices. Yes, I've been sending some invoices. As you can see, this invoice week 1 here, I made the first week I made 5700. That's in a week. Then we also made here 3k. The next week there is this one, week 23, I made like 13k in a week. Yes, and then there is this one also, as you can see. So this is an invoice that I sent to the client after I've written articles for them. So as you can see, this one I made 8400 in a week. This one I've made 12k in a week. Here's writing articles. Here is another one, I made 14k. So this is perfectly an example. So I was making like 2k per day, yes, with this in this week. What do you need to get started? So the first thing you need is, of course, to find your niche. So you need to identify what topics you're comfortable writing about. Once you've done that, make sure you have the sample. So once you've identified the topic that you're comfortable writing about, then go ahead and write a sample. So I'll write at least 3 samples. Sorry, my mic almost fell. So write 3 samples, then publish online. That's it. Don't send like the Word document. No, nobody does that anymore. So publish them online. So you can either publish on your website if you have a blog, or go to Medium and create an account. It's free, and publish there. Now the next step, of course, is to start applying for jobs. So there are very many ways you can apply for jobs. So the first one is maybe you can go to Upwork. So Upwork is a freelance marketplace that you can apply for jobs. So this is a place where clients who are looking for various freelancers go to advertise their jobs. Upwork is a place where you can find work easily. Yes, you can find freelance writing, you can find any kind of freelancing, but since we are talking about freelance writing, I'll focus on how you can get that here. So just head over to Upwork, come here to writing and translation, click on it, and as you can see here, content writers. And if you look at these guys, they are charging a lot for their work. This one is charging like 65. This is almost 7k per hour. Also 7k, this for almost 4500 per hour, and this almost 1800 per hour. So you can charge here per hour, yes, but still you can charge per article. Now, so that's another way to find clients. The other way to find clients is directly. So that's what I do. I don't have an account on Upwork. I find it, for personal reasons, I don't like Upwork. So my way of getting clients is direct. So I get direct clients. So for me, I just go to a website and look at, okay, this guy, the last time they updated their posts was like 2019. So you just shoot them an email. You're like, hey, I do articles. I write blog posts for websites like yours. This is a sample. I have, this is a sample article I've written. So if you are looking for a writer, I'm your guy. Then if they are okay with that, they, of course, you start, negotiating rates. Now, my advice is charge per word. Yes, don't accept anything less than 1 shilling per word. Yes, at first when I was starting, I was making like 0.5 shillings per word. Yes, I'll even show you here. These are some of the things that I was doing when I was starting. As you can see, it was mixed niches. Yes, you can see here I was writing about lawyers, you know, mistakes in appliances, you know, yeah, this was product reviews. Yes, so you can see the categories here was different, right? They were different, and you can, as you can see, for 410 words I was making like 200 shillings. So that's like 0.5 per word. This is when I was starting, making like 1,000 shillings per day. Yes, 1,000 shillings. As you can see, this one for Tuesday, I made what? 1,000 shillings. Yes, so in 2 days I had made at least 2k per day. I mean, in 2 days. Yes, then after that, of course, I upgraded my game, and now you know, I judge nothing less than 1 shilling per word. So if you find what we've talked about so far interesting, please click that subscribe button. Now the next idea, of course, is affiliate market. Everyone here is talking about affiliate marketing, but I want to show you the easiest way that you can make money through affiliate market. I will give you an example of Jumia, but this applies to all the affiliate programs. First thing you need to do to start affiliate marketing on Jumia is to pick a niche. I mean, to pick a product. Yes, what product do you want to promote? Now, the easier way to pick a product is to look at the commission rate. So this is the current Jumia commission rate. You can read more about it on my website at litslax.co.ke, or just search for affiliate marketing in Kenya and click on the result showing my website, litslax.co.ke. Just click on that result and you will find everything I talk about here about affiliate marketing. Also, you can watch this video about affiliate marketing explained. So I explain everything that I know about affiliate marketing. What were we talking about? Yes, to pick the first thing you need to do to start promoting products is to choose the product, of course. Yes, so how do you do that? The way I always do it is, of course, what I'm passionate about, you know, what I like using. Yes, I love things a lot about laptops, headphones. So I have websites that are dedicated to promoting each of those products. I have one for headphones, I have one for laptops, and also I also have one for smart TVs. I'll show you if you stick around in this channel. Now, so look at the commission rate of the product. As you can see, the men's clothing is 6.25 commission. Yes, men's shoes, and then as we go down, it drops. As you can see, events and tickets is attracting 1%. 1%, like what, 1% commission rate. So look at the commission rate. For this example, I'll be using phones, because that's what everyone else is using. As you can see, phones is attracting like what, 2.7% commission. Now this bonus only comes in after some qualified sales. Yes, so that's a topic of another day. If you sell a phone of 1,000 shillings, you make 2.75 of that of 1,000. 2.75 of 1,000 is how many shillings? Let's say I want to promote phones, so I'll go to Jumia, come here at phones, and click on, of course, mobile phones. This is what you need to do to make sure that you're selling, I mean, you're promoting something that's like guaranteed to sell. Instead of picking any product here, unless you're sure that someone that you're sending that link to will buy, don't do that. What you need to do is to sort them. I want you to sort them based on the stars. So click on this, at least 4 stars and above. So it will start, you know, sorting those products based on the stars. And also you can use here, you can sort them based on the popularity rating. Yeah? So which means this one is the most popular. Once you've done that, click on that product. As you can see, this Xiaomi Redmi 9C 6.5 inch, you know, screen is going for this 16,000. Yes, so 16,000. So let's do the math. So if I promote this product and I'm making like what, 2.75% per sale, 2.75% of 16,000 equals to 440 shillings. Yes, so you're making 440 shillings per sale. Now, if you're making like 440 shillings per sale, how much do you need to make? 2k per day? Just say 2,000, yes, divided by 440. You need that's like what, 4.5. There is no half phone, so you need at least 5 phones. You need to sell at least 5 of these phones per day to make 2k per day. Now this should be easy, considering this phone, as you can see, there are at least what, 110 verified sales. Yes, there's 110, and this looks like a good phone. I think I'm gonna buy one, so you should send me a link. Start with me. Once you've identified the product, so I want to promote this phone. If I was promoting this phone, I'll come here, pick this link, copy it, head over to Jumia, and then of course if you haven't registered, click on register and follow the instructions. There's this video I show you how to register. So of course I have an account, I'll just sign in. Once you're on your account, just click on advertising, then custom links. So what you are doing is, of course, if you send someone directly this link, you won't make anything. Jumia needs a way to track the sales. To be compensated, you need to add your affiliate code on this link. How do you do that? So you copy that link, head over to your profile, your Jumia account, your call account, come to advertising and click on custom links, and then of course click on Jumia e-commerce, Kenya. Of course, make sure it's Kenya. Now we are generating a custom link. Yes, now insert the link you copied here and copy this. So now as you can see, this one already contains my code. So if you look at it closely, you'll find my affiliate code. You can copy this link and now start sharing, but you're not done yet. As you can see, this link is really long and it's really ugly, so you need to shorten it. Bitly is a link shortening service, so they make your links short. Just come here, click on create, add that long link here and click create, and there you have your short link. So you can promote this one, just copy and now start sharing, or you can send it to someone through WhatsApp or anywhere else. That's how you make 2K through affiliate marketing. If you've watched to this far, we talk a lot about this stuff on this channel. Click that subscribe button if that interests you. Now the other way you can make up to 2K per day is through Olimthread. So Olimthread is an online trading platform that allows you to trade different assets. As you can see, currently I'm trading Bitcoin. First thing is you need to create an account. So make sure the link is in the description. Click on that link and create an account. The next, of course, is to deposit. You can deposit from as low as $10. So once you've deposited, now you can start trading. Start trading on Olimthread. First thing you need to do, of course, is to choose the asset. Yes. So there are very many assets as we've already mentioned. Yes. And then, so this shows you the asset. So it's the asset is either, the price is either going up or going down. As you can see here, I was dropping and then it rose a little bit and then it dropped again. Your work is just to make the focus on whether the price of the asset will go up or will go down. Yes, that's what you call now trading. So when you trade on the fixed duration, so you trade on a fixed duration. You can trade for example, you can open a trade that will last for 5 minutes, 1 minute, 30 seconds, even 5 seconds. You can open even one that goes up to a month, that lasts for a month. So that's now what you call the FTT. Now FTT assets, of course, vary in profitability. So in this case, you will receive 85% of profit if when the trade expires, the chart still be moving in the correct direction. So this number you're seeing here means that if I predict that this asset will start going up, and I open a trade for 5 minutes, if after that 5 minutes, after expiry of that 5 minutes I'm correct, I get 85% of what I invested. So if I invested like $10, I get 85% of that. So now, of course, this is how you trade. So you set the amount here. So we want to put, so for this one, let's put $100. The next, of course, is to choose the time. So let's set it at 1 minute. Then, of course, now you look at the chart now and then make a prediction of where the asset is going. Yes, so for me, I think the asset is going down. As you can see, the time here is dropping, and yes, I was correct. So congratulations, your trade was successful. So by investing $100, you've earned 85. So that's 85% return in just what, 1 minute. So please click on the link in the description and create your account. Use the coupon code Kevin30, that the capital letters, one word, Kevin30, to get 30% deposit bonus. Also, there are these videos I created on how you can make money on this platform. So those are the 3 ways that I use to make at least 2K per day. And of course, these ways you can use to make more than that. If you watch to this end, please click that subscribe button, and I guess I'll see you on the next video.